Good morning from our final day here in Hanoi. We just got back from an amazing cruise around Ha Long Bay for the last couple days. If you haven't seen those videos, definitely go check them out. It was an amazing couple days with some spectacular views. Today we're doing a few things, a few classic things that we feel like everybody has to do or everybody has said we have to do here in Hanoi. The first is Sarah is gonna get a massage. I personally don't like massages, so that's why she's getting one. Second, we're doing a cooking class. We're super excited about that because we aren't really good at cooking, so we're pretty excited to learn maybe a new recipe or something that is hopefully pretty easy for us to replicate later on at home. And three, probably do some shopping. Gonna see about getting some clothing, maybe some souvenirs, classic touristy stuff. We'll see what we find.
I feel like I'm getting a little bit desensitized to it, or just like kind of used to it. I'm like, yeah, this is what we do. We just like walk on the street with all the motorbikes. So I'm gonna do the deep muscular therapy, where the rhythmic movements of this massage will nurture and nourish your creative energies and well-being.
Okay, have fun.
Thanks, bye.
While Sarah gets her massage, I'm on a mission to find us some water and some other things we need for the next couple of days. I don't know if you can tell, but our Airbnb is kind of in this like clothing store back part area. You have to walk through like all of the clothes on the rack to get in here, and then you have to go through a gate right here to get upstairs, which I gotta unlock, like a bike lock basically, with these keys. It's very interesting. All right. Okay, got the water, made it back to the apartment. Have about an hour or so until Sarah is done with her massage.
Well, this is gonna be fun. See you later. That was amazing. I feel so relaxed. That was amazing. I'm a new woman now. 60-minute massage for 630,000.
Can you give us a quick feedback so we can improve our service?
So like 32?
25.
25? Can't really do math right now, but highly recommend. I think this serene spa, amazing.
Now that Sarah got her massage fix, time for us to go to our cooking class.
I don't really know why some streets have like larger sidewalks for pedestrians to walk on, but I really appreciate when they do. Also, I just saw a different massage place that we could get a full body massage for like 200K, and that would be a lot cheaper than the massage I just had. I'm not sure how long it was, but I'm happy with my massage, and I just wanted to let you know that you can get it cheaper. There are a lot of options. Look at how many motorbikes there are. I don't think I've seen this many like in one spot in my whole life.
At least in this part of town, the motorbikes aren't actually blocking the sidewalk. There's actually a path you can walk in the middle of them. Whereas in some parts of town, the motorbikes are as wide as the sidewalk, so you have to walk in the street.
I'm hot. I can't imagine what it's like in the summer. Also, hello.
Thank you.
First, we are going to the market to get food for our 4 courses today. First up, green mango. Beef. And pork, the shoulder part.
Like fat, and tender, like for the old one.
Who says you don't need a designer purse? Get the beef.
Brown the pork. The roast on the chicken mouth also.
Up next, chicken bone for the broth. I think. And I got the rice noodles, baby. Let's hit it. We're gonna start cooking. We are making a green mango salad, spring rolls with pork, and pho. And we're literally chopping up all the vegetables. KJ and I are really putting our skills that are non-existent to the test. And it all smells really good, but really excited to eat. We're really hungry, but I think we have a lot more like preparing to do before we can actually eat, so kind of sad. The last thing is egg coffee, so we're really excited about that because you know we love that. Even though we've only had one and we split it, but like, we still love it.
Then it takes a long time to cook. So if you use the pork or the beef, it takes 5 to 8 hours to cook. But for the chicken, it's only 1 hour. So it's not easy to burn. But all the dry one, I will keep around. Okay?
It's right here?
We did the chicken bone and we washed twice already. So it looks really clean. So right now, if you add here, they have like really clear for the broth.
Yeah.
You want to help me add on it?
Sure.
You're gonna add all this.
Sticks to the test.
See those chopsticks?
We're all
chopstick
chopsticks. Ooh, I'm not that strong though.
Oh, yeah.
Want to drop it?
Your nail like this, so you don't cut your finger.
Yeah.
Okay, and hold the knife like this. And in Vietnam, when you feel the knife is not sharp enough, we use a bowl like this to make it sharp.
Here we go.
It's really good. Beef jerky.
Apparently you won't cry if you hold water in your mouth
You see?
when you're cutting onions.
Don't spit it out.
It's like the tortilla challenge.
How's it going? That doesn't.
I don't think that worked. Are your eyes crying too?
Yeah, I'm not even cutting the onions. My eyes are watering.
And you see if the good coffee is really slow, drop by drop, but if not, the good coffee is really fast.
Yeah.
Like this. You want to help
Slide it
me?
in.
Just slide
I'd
it.
love to. And the chef is retiring,
Leaving the kitchen.
leaving the kitchen. It's bigger and better things, but not really. That food tour was amazing. Highly recommend. We'll like link the experience somewhere here. Our guide was incredible. We learned so much just about like her experience and the culture and the food, and it was also delicious. We got the recipes in an email afterwards, so we're definitely gonna make that later. Now we were just walking around getting some souvenirs. So I get postcards everywhere we go, and I write like who I'm with, when I was there, and like some fun things that like I might not remember if from like I have a lot of pictures of like the beautiful things, so I don't really write those. I write like the funny stories and stuff. So I learned that from someone on Instagram. If it was you, thank you. And then I also got a magnet. So we're just gonna walk around a little bit more because the nightlife here is so much fun. And it's really cool to see the city at night. We just got 2 huge water bottles for 20,000 dong. The tap water is safe to like brush your teeth, but you're not supposed to drink it. So we've been using these. And then I also forgot to mention my souvenirs were 50K dong. So like $2. Gotta sneak it.
Back through the clothes thing. No, you have it.
Interesting.
Do I have the key? Nar.
super secure bike lock.
Gotta undo the door lock, bike lock.
Come on inside.
All right, great cooking class. Great final day here in Hanoi. Thanks for sticking around for the entire video. The cooking class ended up being about, I think it was $79.50 US on Viator. That's what we booked it through. It was about 4.5 hours. Tomorrow we are flying to Da Nang. Da Nang is a beautiful beach city in the middle of Vietnam, so we are super excited to see more of this beautiful country and explore everything else that it has to offer as best we can. But we will see you tomorrow when we fly down there. Good night. Woke up really late this morning. Actually, no, we didn't even wake up late. I lied. Okay, got the water. Well, it was kind of wiggly. Good morning from our last full day here.
You can have a drink, but it's beer and 7-Up. So.
Pick your poison.
No.